For today's lesson, Mama T-Rex is teaching her son, Little T-Rex, some new English words. Little T-Rex, can you make a sentence with the words very rainy?
Sure I can, Mama. It's very rainy outside today. Look, Mama.
Well done, Little T-Rex. But did you know you could say the same thing in a simpler way with less words?
Wow, really? Please continue, Mama.
A better way to say very rainy is pouring. So you could say, it's pouring outside today. Look, Mama.
Thanks, Mama. I understand. So pouring is a better way to say very rainy. Thank you for the lesson, Mama. But where do you learn this all from?
My teachers at AGU teach me new words every day. To practice with our teachers, create your free account today on agu.com.